Today, I'm going to show you how to make nail holes disappear, fast and easy, using two simple tools, Ultramark and Fill Stik. Here's a nail hole left over after installing these kitchen cabinets. We're going to fix it so it looks brand new. First, take the Fill Stik. It's like a wax crayon for wood. Rub it firmly across the hole to fill it in. Press and glide across it until it's flush with the surface. Wipe gently with a soft cloth to remove any extra marker, and just like that, your trim looks perfect again. If necessary, grab an Ultramark marker. Match the color as close as you can to your wood finish. Dab it lightly over the repaired hole to blend it in. In this case, we don't need a marker. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Lashley Construction Group, and turn on the bell for more pro tips.